big cloth.
Alcohol abuse.
Tom, you gonna take the reindeer is gone. I can't take no more. I don't know. What the fuck? Shut off the air and get it out. What? You know how many mules died there? Fucking the fire. They bring gigantic holes in the desert. You only get a fucking ounce of borax for every mule you fucking incinerate. What the fuck was that?
Oh, you're sparking.
Hey, Susan, this is going to be very hot. Make sure you're extra weight.
Okay, Sam. You, no.
Don't be in the way. Where'd it go?
Not in the way.
Well, you don't have a whole lot of protection, and this thing is going to...
Put your safety glasses on, because you're right at eye height.
You stand by. You don't know yet. He doesn't trust me. No, I don't know yet. Okay, so I want to tap in. Are you rotating that fucking ass? Fucking chill. You don't get too far. You need to kind of press it. I don't know. Pull over.
I won't be here.
That's what I hear.
Fucking Miller.
Told you.
Is he gone?
Told you.
Gone.
Okay, ready?
All gone.
Did you burn it off? No. Well. Okay, you ready? Sledgehammer, gentle blow. Well, come on, fucking hit the fucker, will you? Gentle fucking with a relative turn. Go on. Hit it. Hit it. Hit that thing!
It's not a ball anymore.
We're never letting Tom use flux again. See what happens when you use flux?
Damn it.
Wait, clean it up and flux it back up.
Get the fuck out of here.
That must have been some sort of shit.
That was fun, though. That was fucking great.
What's that? Wait. Oh, yeah, that'll work.
Oh, yeah.
There you go. Hey, clean that shit out of there first.
Don't
Hang
worry
on.
about it. That was fucking great. I enjoyed that.
It's on video, too.
Is that right?
Not the best quality, but it's on video.
We're gonna do it again.